I welcome you to watching a instruction review video where my Transformers reviews and instruction videos all combined. So now I'll be able to speak freely also as of you watching me transforming the figurines. The sound of this music, let's get to it.
Transformers.
Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Autobot Air Raid. Air Raid's main vehicle mode is a jet. Not a fighter jet, but an airliner that can be only two types of models, a Boeing or a Airbus. Main plastic color is green, along with solid whitish plastic, dark green plastic, and translucent white plastic. Paint detailing that consists on the figure: dark green, silver, gold, and green paint. The transformation, I find it quite standard. Intermediate by HASBRO, my transformation scale, 4 out of 5. Feature and gimmicks. The only type of feature that you can find while transforming the figure is the head reveal, also known as an automorph. And plus, the type of accessories it comes with is only one, and it is a radar dish. Radar dish has medtech toy technology able to convert into weapon. Though it is spring-loaded, you are unable to keep it in weapon mode. Part of the feature and gimmicks, it can be able to peg on the back part of the airliner. Make sure to check out my Photoshop toy gallery of all past and present photos along with video links. Hope you guys learned something. More to come.